No, loaded. This is...
Uma benza gurupe masiti, uma benza gurupe masiti, uma benza gurupe masiti, uma benza gurupe masiti,
Acha.
uma benza gurupe masiti, uma benza gurupe masiti. I'm trying to clean all the negative energies of the Chinese government. The people of the Chinese country is very good, but the people who rule China, they have negative thoughts. So I'm cleaning. You're not Chinese, I know, but I'm telling everybody. But you're from Hong Kong. Where are you from? Malaysia, yeah. That's great. I haven't been to Malaysia, but I will come there once. So I'm just cleaning away all the bad thoughts, because Malaysia is also affected by Chinese government, you know. There is so much, isn't it? China is taking everything away in Southeast Asia. So what I'm doing is, I'm only cleaning the root cause of all the suffering. And that is the bad thoughts, negative thoughts of the Chinese government. So that's what I'm doing. This is an ancient ritual. It's called Jinsik. It's a spiritual ritual, and I'm burning the bad thoughts. Only that. I'm not being aggressive. I'm not against the Chinese people, but I'm only, you know, as an individual, we also suffer, you know. Like that, the country is also suffering. Whole of China, whole of Asia is suffering because of the Chinese rule. So what I'm saying is, I have to first burn all the negative thoughts symbolically, and I send good thoughts to the Chinese people, to the people who rule China, so that there will be peace hashed. And it's very nice. Hallo, Sally. Ich verbrenne hier die negative Gedanken von China, der chinesischen Regierung, dass es in Hongkong Frieden herrscht, dass es in Tibet Frieden herrscht, dass die Menschenrechte in China, in Hongkong, in Tibet, in Uyghur, alle wird eben in eine positive Lösung, eine gute Lösung finden.
I'm with you.
Thank you so much. Who are you?
I'm working here.
Oh, you're in the bank.
But you know, my best worker was a lady from Tibet. She was named Tsering.
Ah, okay.
So I know a lot of things about Tibet.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming down, and that you know, not just support, but I think it's something that we all share as a human being.
You have my thoughts. Can I have a picture with you?
Oh yeah, sure. Come, he will take it.
You want to take it first?
Yeah.
soms kan.